Perfect. 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 Yo, what is happening, y'all? It's your boy Q Monster here, back at it once again. We're about to go ahead and do another unboxing. Oh yeah, one of my favorite things to do. Time to start this unboxing some cool stuff, you know what I mean? So, what I got here, I got my boy, Prince Vegeta, Prince of all Saiyans. I am more powerful than Kakarot. Trying to impersonate the voice of him. It's kind of hard to do it. But yeah, as you can see, man, I got the Dragonball Super. What is it? Super Saiyan guys, Super Saiyan guys, Super Saiyan Vegeta Z battle figure. The Z battle figure. One I got. All right. See the front of it. See that side. Look at the back side. How it's gonna look when I, put it up for y'all. So yeah, my boy Vegeta, boy. It's time to unbox him. But then I got my scissors. You know what I'm saying? I need my scissors. Scissors. So I can be careful enough not to screw nothing up, you know. I mean, I actually got this I think the first week of this month, January, you know what I'm saying? I had not really had a chance to bring it out, it's been stuck in my closet for so long, so I'm just now thinking, I was like, man, I need to go ahead and unbox this, man. I've been having this for too long. Got that part. Got that part. All right. The grand finale. What the hell is this? I must be tripping. An empty box. Probably must got a locked up somewhere. There we go. I about to be like, yo, did I just get fooled? They got it real hidden. There's all the stuff right there. All the stuff I need to put up on. So, I need to silent my phone. My phone's going off. People are texting me on Snapchat. Alright. Now I got that out the way. Let's go ahead and just put this mug up. Oh. Yo, this is crazy. He got, the guy's head all wrapped up. I'm like, yo, this is wicked. Like, why would y'all wrap his head up? I'm not understanding. But I guess, maybe, just for some safety causes, you know what I'm saying? I want his head to fall off, probably. So, I'm going to try to get that out of the way. I'm going to get this stuff real quick. Get this part out of here before I even try to unwrap the head with the Prince Vegeta. Gotta rip it off. Gotta rip it off. Got this part off. Now this little piece here. Oh, falling away from me. Alright. Finally got that part off. Just gonna put that on there. So yeah, got that part on there. Now we gotta unwrap the head of Prince Vegeta. I may have to do it slowly, real gentle, you know. Just gotta go slowly, you know what I'm saying? Imagine you trying to press a girl, you know what I'm saying? When you're trying to just massage her, just slowly, just rubbing her body. You know what I mean? No, I'm just playing. Oh man, let's get this part up without breaking it. There we go. There you go. Look at that. Look at that, boy. Look at that. Yeah, boy. Super Saiyan Blue. Prince Vegeta. He's over like. All right. Time to get this on there. Voila. See? Wasn't too hard to put it on, man. Just simple fix. Just a simple fix, man. Look at that. Boy, go hard, boy. That shit go hard. Yeah. All right. Got it unboxed for y'all, man. So now y'all see the full statue of the Vegeta, Super Saiyan Blue, Dragon Ball Super. You know, the figure. What was it called again? Z Battle figure. Yeah, Z Battle figure. I don't want to think about that. But yeah, there you go, y'all. I will be downloading that Dragon Ball Z Kakarot game tonight, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that. I really want y'all to go ahead and check me out on that, so that we can go ahead and have some fun, you know, watching me playing this game. Well, watching me going through the struggle to play this game. I'm about to learn everything about this game, you know what I'm saying, from what I heard. So stay tuned. Almost lost my voice there. So stay tuned for that, man. So make sure to check me out tonight. Dragon Ball Z Kakarot. Be there. I want to see y'all comments below and all that stuff. You know what I'm saying? Leave a like as always. And also, if you enjoy my unboxing of this beautiful, beautiful, you know, Dragon Ball Z figure, this Super Saiyan Blue figure, make sure you hit that like button. And always subscribe it and share it. And I'm going to catch you guys later. Deuces.